Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off subtitles when watching Fubo TV. So first, what we're going to do is pick a channel and click watch live so that we get to a particular channel. And then from this point, we want to open up a menu. We can do that by clicking the up arrow on our remote. That opens up this particular options menu. And then if we click up again, we can get into this top layer, and moving our arrows back and forth, we can get over to where it says closed captioning or subtitles. Clicking select on that, we can turn on the subtitles that are available, and then clicking the back button on our remote, and we can now see that we have subtitles turned on. Now, if we want to turn these off, again, we're going to click the up arrow on our remote to open up this menu. We're going to click up again and then go over to the little CC icon, which is closed captioning. Click select on that, and then we can turn them off. So this is the process that we're going to go about either turning on or off subtitles. We select the channel that we want subtitles on, and then we just open up this menu by clicking up on our remote and getting over to that little CC icon to pick the subtitles that we'd like to use or to turn them off. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.